What's good, everyone? It's your girl Angelique, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make an introduction video. If you wanna know how, stay tuned. Hi everyone, my name is Angelique, and I'm excited to apply for this position. I'm a qualified English teacher with experience in teaching students of various ages, from as young learners to adults. I taught English as a core subject and help students develop their language skills in writing, reading, and speaking. I create engaging and interactive lessons tailored to each student's needs. And I am passionate about using creative methods to make learning English fun and accessible. I am committed to helping students gain their confidence in their English abilities, and I'm excited about the opportunity to join your team. Thank you for watching my video. For more further content, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.